Welcome to It For Show. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support my journey in creating more videos. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to one of the most stunning places in Switzerland, Lauterbrunnen. If you enjoyed my previous video about FC Barcelona, be sure to check it out on my channel. Now let's dive into this breathtaking valley. Our adventure began as we traveled from Lucerne to Interlaken. While both cities have their own charm, I was eager to reach Lauterbrunnen, known for its incredible landscapes and waterfalls. To travel from Lucerne to Interlaken, buy a ticket for 17 francs per person. You can get tickets at train stations, online, or through mobile apps. The main operator is SBB, Swiss Federal Railways. Swiss trains are punctual and comfortable, with intercity trains for fast travel and regional trains for smaller towns. Overall, it's easy to buy tickets and the trains enhance your experience in Switzerland. As you travel by train from Lucerne to Interlaken, you'll see passengers from all over the world, capturing stunning views of Switzerland. The conductor who checks tickets provides updates on your location and points out breathtaking sights along the way.
Right side forward. Right side forward. Probably is one of the best.
On the way to Interlaken, people enjoy activities like sledding, climbing mountains, and camping. The snowy hills are great for sledding, and climbers come to hike the big mountains. Many visitors also camp to enjoy the beautiful nature. This area attracts people from all over the world who love the outdoors. Now we are in Interlaken, a beautiful tourist city known for its lakes and mountains. It's popular for paragliding, hiking, and boat trips. But we are not exploring, we are catching our trains to Lauterbrunnen. The ticket from Interlaken to Lauterbrunnen costs 7.80 francs, and the ride takes about 20 minutes. It's a short, scenic journey with great views of the mountains and waterfalls. We are now approaching Lauterbrunnen, one of the Switzerland's most stunning valleys. Our next stop will take us into the heart of Swiss Alps, where we'll explore breathtaking waterfalls, towering cliffs, and peaceful alpine villages. Lauterbrunnen is truly a place like no other, and I can't wait to show you more of what makes this valley so special. We've just arrived in Lauterbrunnen and it feels like stepping into a postcard. The weather is perfect as it often is in August. I'm excited to take you on a walk through this charming village. Lauterbrunnen is not only famous for its natural beauty but also has a unique culture that reflects the broader Swiss traditions. Here people value simplicity and nature, which is reflected in their lifestyle and food. Swiss cuisine is hearty and flavorful. If you are a fan of cheese, you can't miss trying the famous Swiss fondue. They also love rosti, a crispy potato dish perfect after a long day of hiking. The locals have a deep connection to the mountains, and you will often see Swiss flags and symbols of their alpine heritage. Swiss houses are known for their traditional alpine architecture, especially in mountainous villages like Lauterbrunnen. These houses are typically made of wood, with a stone foundation. The use of wood, especially timber, reflects the natural resources available in the area. Timber is ideal for insulating against the cold winter and gives the homes a cozy, warm feel. The sloping roofs are a key feature of Swiss houses, designed to handle heavy snowfalls by allowing the snow to slide off easily. You'll often notice large overhanging eaves, which protect the walls from rain and snow. The houses are built to withstand the harsh alpine climate while maintaining a charming rustic look. The style of Swiss houses also reflects the importance of harmony with nature. They blend into the landscape rather than standing out, creating a feeling of unity with the surrounding environment. Many Swiss homes have flower boxes on the windowsills, adding to their picturesque charm. Overall, Swiss houses are both functional and beautiful, designed with the tough mountain weather in mind while retaining a welcoming traditional aesthetic. Lauterbrunnen Cemetery is a beautiful, serene place with stunning mountain views and vibrant flowers on the graves. The unique gravestones often reflect local culture, with some shaped like tractors or wheat. It holds the remains of locals and notable visitors, making it historically significant and attractive for its peaceful atmosphere and artistic designs. Lauterbrunnen has 72 waterfalls, including Switzerland's highest Staubbach Falls, which drops nearly 300 meters. After rain, the falls are especially strong, making the valley even more beautiful. Here in Lauterbrunnen, many locals work on these beautiful farms. They raise cows for milk and cheese, which are important local products. Farming and tourism are the main jobs in this valley, and the farms blend perfectly with the stunning nature around them. In Lauterbrunnen, farming plays a big role in local life. The valley is full of green pastures where cows graze, producing high-quality milk used for making traditional Swiss cheese, butter, and other dairy products. The farms are often family-run, and you'll see farmers using old techniques alongside modern methods. In this beautiful valley, you can find a variety of fresh, locally produced goods like honey, cheese, milk, eggs, and even homemade wine. Many farms sell these products as small stands where visitors can take what they want and leave the money in the honesty box. These traditional products, made from the cows grazing in the area, offer a genuine taste of Swiss countryside. In this area, paragliding is one of the most popular activities, offering breathtaking views of the valley and surrounding mountains. For those seeking a unique experience, it's also possible to rent a helicopter for scenic flights over the region. Renting bicycles is another great way to explore, with many trails leading through the beautiful landscape. Camping is common here, with several spots available that let you fully enjoy this stunning nature around you. In Lauterbrunnen, you can find souvenirs like the Swiss Army knife, cowbells, and Swiss chocolate. The cowbells are a symbol of farming, and the knife shows Swiss quality. And of course, the chocolate is must try. Lauterbrunnen was truly beautiful, but on our way back, we faced a sudden storm. The rain and wind were intense, showing us different sides of Switzerland. If you are planning to explore Swiss valleys and landscapes, my advice is to always check the weather. Sometimes the weather can change quickly and storms can happen, especially in mountains. Stay prepared and enjoy your trip safely. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Show, and leave a comment. Your support helps me make more videos. See you next time.